Welcome back to day 2 of Jaipur. I am currently at Jal Mahal and the time is 11:30. I was a bit late, and for rentals I had to go through many bike rentals, 2-3 rentals. Then after that I took a City 100 from a bike rental known as rentride.com. Just see the bike. The Jal Mahal is there just inside the Mansagar layer, and it's covered by the Aravalli mountain ranges. Let me show you. There you go. That is, in the center is the Jal Mahal, and those are the Aravalli mountain ranges. So basically what you see is one floor only, and remaining 4 floors are inside the water underground. So Jal Mahal was created by the person who created the Jaipur city and everything, Jai Singh too. It was believed that Jal Mahal was a summer palace kind of thing, when the king used to come with his queen to the Jal Mahal and they used to leave and they used to go. But now no one is allowed, no boating, nothing is there. You just have to come here and see the view and go. And many people told me, and I had seen on the internet also, Jal Mahal is a very good place to see the sunrise. So if possible, try to come during the sunrise to get good views. Otherwise nothing much is there, just you can see the Jal Mahal from here and you have to go. Just look at this awesome view. That there you see in the far is the Jal Mahal. I have come for there, riding through these roads, awesome roads, and on my way to Jaigarh and Nahargarh. Time lapse is also being taken. I'm at the second place for the day, and this is the Jaigarh fort, and I have hired a guide with me for 50 rupees. Will explain me everything. It's mostly famous for the Jaiwan cannon, which is the largest cannon on wheels. So I have come to see that, and this fort was built to protect the Amer. So I'll show you. So there you can see that is the Amer Palace and that is the Maoto. और वहाँ पे सब जो घर है पुराने आमेर का है ना, पुरानी सिटी आमेर की.
जयपुर सिटी से पहले सिटी ये वाली.
Before Jaipur city, this was the city and it was the capital. Now they have moved to Jaipur from Amer. So this is the view from the Jaigarh fort.
तो 700 ईयर्स लग गए थे इस पूरे पोर्ट को कंप्लीट करने में, और 27 यानी कि जनरेशन कंप्लीट हो गई थी इस पोर्ट को बनाते बनाते.
अच्छा.
और 28 जनरेशन आई थी स्वाइजर सिंह सेकंड की, जिन्होंने इस पोर्ट को कंप्लीट किया था. उनके नाम से इस पोर्ट का नाम से
जयगढ़ फोर्ट उनके नाम से.
जैसे जितने मोनूमेंट्स बसे हुए हैं जयपुर के अंदर, वो स्वाइजर सिंह सेकंड ने कंप्लीट किए थे. ये वाला सर वो वर्ल्डास कैनन.
अच्छा.
इसका नाम था
जेवान.
हाँ. तो ये स्वाइजर सिंह ने कंप्लीट किया था 70-20 में.
हाँ.
तो उस विलेज का नाम था चाकसू.
अच्छा.
तो चाकसू के अंदर जाके गिरने के बाद में वहीं पे एक लेक वगैरह बन गया था. लेक वगैरह बनने के बाद में उस लेक का नेम दे दिया था गोलीमार.
अच्छा.
तो वन टेस्टिंग चलाने के बाद में इस किले के ऊपर कभी भी अटैक नहीं हुआ, तो इसको चलाने की कभी जरूरत पड़ी नहीं. आज भी एयर कंडीशन में आज भी चल सकता है.
अच्छा.
इसके अंदर से स्टोर करते हैं, इसके अंदर फिर यूज़ करते हैं. इधर राइट साइड से देखो आप, इसके वाटर वगैरह आपको दिखाई देगा.
हाँ. गाइड ने बहुत सही समझा दिया, एक्सप्लेन मी एवरीथिंग. He also wanted to explain me more, but due to shortage of time I said no, let's stop from here. and there that pink structure that you see, that is the Jaigarh Fort. And ये जो रास्ता मैंने लिया है, this road leads to Amer Fort. Amer was the old capital, and now Jaipur is the capital. So there you go. There you see, this is the road. This is actually 3 kilometers road. I was told that if we come from there, we can easily go to the Amer Fort, and it will also be less distance than the vehicles road. Now I have entered the Amer Fort. There are two ways, rather three ways. You can take an elephant ride, or you can book a jeep, or you can walk like me. This is the Mahota Lake where the water used to be stored. Now it is also stored. And there on the top is the Amer Fort. Let me go and show you. Amer Fort was created in 1592 by Raja Man Singh. And Amer used to be the capital of this kingdom. I don't know the exact name, but now you see the pink city Jaipur. Previously, Amer used to be the capital. This fort is also known as the Amba Fort. And this wall that you see on the other side, this wall, some people down there told me that this is the third largest existing wall in the world. Let me go and see what else I could cover. It's nearly 3 in the afternoon. I have to reach the Nahargarh Fort before 5 because at 5 it closes. I cannot miss the sunset from Nahargarh because it's awesome. Way to the secret tunnel. This tunnel connects Amber Fort to Jaigarh Fort. Wow. Man, this is so cold. बहुत ठंडा है भाई. Due to the stone, I guess. It was lighted, little bit steep. I guess this is the road to Jaigarh Fort. From the Jaigarh Fort, I showed you a route from where people were coming and going. This is it. I think I shall not go far because there is no end, it seems. Let me return back because I have to go to Nahargarh Fort as well. Just see, this is the way. Final destination of the day, most probably the Nahargarh Fort. Time update 4:30. Before sunset पहुंच गए. Let's go in and see. शीश महल एंड वैक्स म्यूज़ियम 500 रुपीज़, पर हम लोग नहीं जाएंगे क्योंकि बजट में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं। ऑलरेडी बहुत टिकट्स के लिए पैसा दे चुका है। चलो आपको एक बार व्यू दिखा देते हैं। इनसाइड द नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट तो देख सकते हैं रूम्स लाइक दीज, देयर आर टोटल 9 रूम्स ईच बिलोंगिंग टू 1 क्वीन। कितना पैसा थे वे राजाओं के पास, ना तो 15-20 लोगों का घर आ जाएगा। लवली। तो ये जो देख रहे हैं दिस इज़ द नाहर सिंह टेम्पल। यहाँ पे कुछ भाई लोग हैं जो कि कैमरे के सामने बोलने के लिए शर्मा रहे हैं, लेकिन वो मेरे को बोले कि जब ये फोर्ट बन रहा था नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट, देन एवरीडे जो बना रहे थे बिल्डिंग तब एक एक करके पत्थर गिर रहा था, क्योंकि जो राजा थे उनको नाहर सिंह ने श्राप दिया था कि जब तक उनका मंदिर नहीं बनेगा तब तक फोर्ट शुरू नहीं होगा। तो जब ये मंदिर बन गया, मंदिर बनने के बाद फोर्ट आराम से कंप्लीट हो पाया। तो ये जगह पे आना, देखना मंदिर, बस जाना, हिस्ट्री में डूब जाना थोड़ा। चलो डन विद द नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट। और लास्ट पॉइंट इज पड़ाव कैफे। दिस हैज़ बीन recommended me by a lot of friends and on the internet also I saw. Ticket cost is 100 rupees per head. Nahargarh Fort actually closes at 5:36, but this cafe it's open till 10:30, 11 because people love to see the sunset and also the view of the city in the evening, the lighted Jaipur. So that's the reason this cafe is there. Done with the Nahargarh Fort, saw everything. Now I have come to this Padav Cafe to see the sunset that you can see is happening behind me. So the places that I covered today are the 3 forts. These forts can be covered easily in a single day, but I made few mistakes which you shouldn't make. Firstly, the forts open at 9:30. You leave your rooms at 8 and reach the forts just when they open. And second mistake, first you have to go to the Amer Fort and then you have to come back and you have to go to the Jaigarh Fort and in the last come to the Nahargarh Fort for seeing the sunset. But I saw a diversion and I went to the Jaigarh Fort first, then I had to again go back the same route to Amer Fort. Again I had to come back the route to Nahargarh Fort. So I wasted a lot of time going, coming back. So don't make this mistake. First see the Jal Mahal, then go to the Amer, Jaigarh, lastly Nahargarh. And if you have time, then buy a ticket at the cafe, Padav Cafe. They will offer you one free item, either tea, coffee, cold drink, or you can take one water bottle. I took one water bottle because that is all what I need. You can see I'm so tired because of my own fault coming late. So I'll put the sunset clip after this video, so do check out the other Rajasthan videos that will be coming. See you soon in another video. Till then, like, share and subscribe the video because a lot of effort has gone. और नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट में सनसेट देखने आए थे, सनसेट भी देखा और सिटी पूरा लाइटेड था देखा। लेकिन अकेला आया था सोलो ट्रिप में, लेकिन अकेला नहीं देखा। मेरे को 3 भाई मेरे को यहाँ से मिल गए बिहार से, तो आइए उनसे मिलते हैं। आपका नाम?
समर प्रताप सिंह नाम है।
भाई आपका?
अभिषेक मिश्रा।
आपका?
सौरभ राजपूत।
तो सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ था कि नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट में सनसेट देखना और सिटी का व्यू देखना, और सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ मैं तीनों के साथ देखा और मज़ा भी बहुत आया। वहाँ पे बंदर 5-6 भी आके परेशान करे थे, लेकिन ये 3 आ गए तो हम लोग मिलके पूरा शानदार वीडियो भी लिया, टाइम लैप्स भी लिया और फोटो भी खींचा। इसलिए थैंक यू आप लोगों को।